don't think I could fit in that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Jalen Marie, and I do a lot of hair, beauty, and lifestyle videos and fashion videos as well. So if that's something you're into, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave. Today I am at the thrift store. We are doing a thrift with me vlog, and I'm at my favorite Goodwill. Hopefully I can find some great items. I am looking for all things fall fashion, some of the fall trends. I've been going through my Pinterest board, trying to look at what I've been pinning lately, and just to keep me on task and making sure I'm focused on my goals and the items that I need to be picking up at the thrift store. I need some jackets. I'm looking for things like sweaters, cute little knits as well. Maybe like some midi skirts. I'm looking for like polka dot, suede, things with fringe. Lace is also another hot trend for this fall. And what else? Capris. I've been in love with capris. If you guys haven't seen my last video where I shared some of my favorite Pinterest outfits and I kind of like recreated them, there was a cute little capri outfit that I recreated, and ever since then I have been obsessed with capris. Like maybe some red ones if I can, or maybe leopard print. So I'm looking for that with clothes wise. For shoes, I'm looking for like some cute little midi sandals, maybe like some pointy toe closed in heels as well. I also want to get some kitchen decor, so I'm looking for like pictures, maybe like some cute little frames. So guys, first stop is the shoes, and I came across these cute little strappy heels. I do not like the heel on these shoes. These are from Fashion Nova, but I love the straps. Now here are some nice little kitten heel pointy toe heels, and I just absolutely love these. These from 9 West, but they're kind of a little worn for my liking. Then I came across these stunning booties. They're like some boot slash heels. I don't know, they look like booties, but they're so cute. They are from Steve Madden, and they are like a snake skin print. Like animal prints are trending too this fall season. I came across several ballerina flats. Now that's another fall trend this season. Ballerina flats, any type of loafers as well. And here's another cute pair of ballerina flats. Now these are from Target, I think. I mean, they were gorgeous. I would have got these, but they were not my size. They were size 11. My next stop is the purses. Let's see what they have. Goodwill has actually been slipping on the bags. They really haven't had a good selection of bags in a while. I came across this little cute silver bag. Really cute and trendy right now, but not what I'm looking for. Then this red purse caught my eye. Stunning. I love the color and the shape of it, but truly not something that I was looking for. Then I must check out the men's button-down shirts, and they really didn't have much here. I just skimmed through really quickly. Butter yellow, burgundy, Olive green, pistachio green, browns have been my color palette for this fall season. This striped olive green and blue turtleneck fits right into my color palette for this fall season. I came across this turtleneck, and it's one of those thin turtlenecks from J. Crew, and it reminds me of this turtleneck I seen on Zara's website. I'll click it right here for you guys, but I love the shape of this turtleneck that's on Zara, and it kind of reminds me of this one here, but it's just way too big. And another item that I'm looking for this fall season is Adidas jacket, any Adidas apparel like jackets, pants, and I came across this one here. Wasn't quite the style that I'm looking for. If you're looking for a polka dot, hit up your thrift store because they have tons of polka dot shirts. This one here was really nice. Wasn't quite my style, and I love the style of this one, but I kind of wish the polka dot was more reverse, where the shirt is all white and the polka dots are black. That's the style that I'm looking for, but this blue one was really nice too. Pretty much any type of polka dot. And I came across this burgundy top. Gorgeous, y'all. I absolutely love this top. I have some burgundy boots that it will match perfect with. And look at this polka dot blazer. So nice. I mean, so nice. I love the shape of it, but we'll have to check and see how it fits before I purchase it. And guys, here's a thrift tip. Make sure you are looking at all your garments, making sure there's no torns, no stains. And that's what I'm doing here, making sure I don't see anything that's damaged. This brown faux suede blazer is stunning, guys, and only for $7.24. Yes. Next, I'm stopping by the accessories and ties, like neckties have been trending as well. Next stop is the belts, and I came across some really nice belts, guys. This is one from Banana Republic, and it still had the tag on it. And this is genuine leather. It's a size small. It looks really cute on. Guys, look at this Ralph Lauren belt. I am obsessed with the belt buckle. It's gorgeous, y'all. And it has like this vintage, it may be a vintage Ralph Lauren. I love the Western look of this. You know, Western style is still in the season, and that belt buckle, I just want the belt buckle. I wasn't crazy with the color of the belt. It was just way too big. Then I came across this cute belt right here, and I was so drawn to the shape of it, that horizontal shape. And then to see that it is a Christian Dior belt from 2026, genuine snakeskin, like gorgeous. I love this belt, and I love the shape. It actually reminds me of a belt that I seen on H&M that had this same exact shape. Suede has been another item that's on my list that I'm looking for in thrift stores, and I came across this gorgeous suede skirt, guys. Beautiful. I mean, absolutely stunning. Then a jacket to match it. Yes. And I tried on that brown faux suede jacket, and it's torn. That's why I say check the items before you purchase it. And I had high hopes for this polka dot blazer. It's a no-go for me. I came across a lot of pistachio color green items, like this Victoria's Secret silk gown and this knitted vest that I found in the men's section. Last stop is home decor, and they really didn't have much here today. I looked at the glasses. This cup was so pretty, this glass cup. And most of all their glassware is $1.39. And then I came across this teapot. It's a silver teapot. It looks antique. It's really nice. They actually had 2 tea cups that went with that as well. Then this little vase, it was $1.39 as well. I thought about getting it, but it looks like something that just probably came from IKEA. I like the two-toneness of it. Then I went to check out the frames and I came across this one. It was almost what I was looking for, but it was a plastic frame. And I'm like, no, I needed to have some weight to it. So guys, I am out of the thrift store. They had some really good stuff in there, but ultimately I came out with nothing in my hand. I had a basket full of stuff. I had to tell myself, Jalen, you do not need all those items. Making sure I stick to my Pinterest board or things that I really need. That's how it is most of the time. You have to shop around when it comes to thrifting, but I don't feel like it was a fail. This way I know what's in the stores, I know what to look for. But I came across some nice things, like that nice leather suit. Gorgeous. It was a size 12, but it was vintage. I know it's vintage, so the sizing is different from a 12 nowadays. I don't think I could fit in that. The jacket fits nice. This thrift store doesn't have a fitting room. I hate when they don't have a fitting room, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little thrift trip with me. So next time we're gonna go out again and hopefully we can find some items on our Pinterest board for this fall season. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and I hope to encourage you guys to get out and check out your local thrift stores. And also comment down below, let me know if you guys enjoyed thrifting, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.